today that petition regarding garbage in the entire state of Goa has been disposed of by the High Court because almost every panchayat has now established the material recovery facility. So therefore High Court has expressed its happiness about it. That is one issue. Secondly, High Court has said that in respect of two panchayats, that is one is Bhati Panchayat, and as far as Aldona Panchayat is concerned, those issues are kept open, but the main petition has been disposed of. Bhati Panchayat has 6 months time to establish a permanent MRF facility. As far as Aldona is concerned, they have already installed and operationalized this MRF facility, but there are some hiccups there. There are some oppositions which are creating problem there at the local level. So to tackle that, that matter is kept for tomorrow. That is an independent petition. But the main petition, suo motu writ petition number 7 of 2007 has been disposed of. Some cost has been given to the amicus curiae, which has to be paid by some 12 panchayats who were lagging and who have delayed establishment of MRF. Those panchayats have been directed to pay cost to the amicus curiae. So that is how this petition has been given a quietus. But that is not the end of the matter. Pollution Control Board has been directed to monitor these MRF facilities, and they have been given liberty to the effect that in case these panchayats do not operate these MRF facilities, the Pollution Control Board will issue directions to these panchayats.